Welcome to JK Auto Review, your ultimate channel for defense, aviation, and military power analysis. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth behind China's J-20S, the twin-seat stealth fighter that is rewriting the future of air combat. Segment 1 Introduction. The J-20S, also known as the Mighty Dragon's twin-seat version, is the world's first operational stealth fighter with 2 seats. Developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, this advanced jet represents a major leap in 5th-generation fighter design. Unlike the American F-22 or F-35, which are only single-seaters, China has broken tradition, introducing a co-pilot role for electronic warfare, drone control, and advanced strike missions. Segment 2 Key Features. Twin-seat configuration, allowing one pilot to fly while the other manages sensors, drones, and weapons. Stealth technology. Advanced radar-absorbing materials make it nearly invisible to enemy detection. Powerful radar and avionics, capable of tracking multiple targets in hostile environments. AI integration. Analysts believe the J-20S can control loyal wingman drones, creating a network of unmanned combat partners. Supermaneuverability. With thrust vectoring engines, it's built to dominate dogfights. Segment 3 Strategic Importance. Why is the J-20S such a big deal? Because it signals China's new strategy in modern warfare. Coordinated manned-unmanned teaming, enhanced electronic warfare, greater control in long-range strike missions, and a direct challenge to U.S. air superiority. While the U.S. relies on the F-35 stealth network in the upcoming NGAD program, China is moving fast with the J-20 series, giving it a clear edge in operational flexibility. Segment 4 Conclusion and Outro. The J-20S Mighty Dragon is not just another fighter jet. It's a symbol of how China is preparing for next-generation warfare, where stealth, AI, and drone integration will define the battlefield. What do you think? Can the J-20S challenge America's F-22 and F-35 dominance? Or is it just a psychological weapon of influence? This is JK Auto Review, bringing you powerful insights into the world of aviation and defense. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because more explosive military reviews are coming soon.